Hello, and welcome to this final tutorials in the step-by-step guide to completing your project works, assignments and reports using Microsoft Word. And in these final tutorials, we will cover how to simply save your work in Microsoft Word and also PDF format. But before that, my colleague just drew my attention to the fact that this referencing site needs to be sorted out. And a simpler way of doing it is to select my entire text or referencing. But before that, let me get rid of these numbers over here. So I'll simply delete them. Then I'll come again and select my entire text. Then moving to the paragraph group under the home tab, I'll come over here to the A to Z text over here. That's the sort icon. So I'll simply click on it. Then from this dialog box, as you can see over here, sort by, is it paragraphs, is it heading? You can simply choose any of your choice. Then I want it in a text format, but if it's a number you want to sort, you can always select over here from this drop down list. Then also I want it in an ascending form, that's from A through down to Z. If you want it the other way around, you can always click on the descending. So I'll maintain everything here and simply click on OK. And voila, as you can see, our referencing has now been sorted out in an alphabetical order. So that's just a way of sorting out your text in your Microsoft Word document. And now moving to the main thing, to simply save your work in Microsoft Word, you can always use the shortcut Ctrl S, or you can come to the file tab over here. Then if it's your first time saving your work, you can always go to the Save As. And also, if you have a specific location you want to save your work, you go to the browse. Then over here, you can select any location of your choice. So I would want to save this work on my desktop. So I'll simply click on the desktop. And I want to change the name to Tubeless. So I'll simply change the name to Tubeless. Okay. And over here under the Save As type, I'll maintain it as a Word document. Then simply click on the save. If you want to actually confirm that indeed your work has been saved, one way is to simply come to the title bar over here. As you can see, the name has been changed to Tubeless and is saved to this PC, specifically your desktop. And also, to save your work in a PDF format, you can always follow the same format by coming to the file tab, then moving to the Save As command. Then as usual, if you have a specific location you want to save it to, come to the browse. And I want to save this work again on my desktop. I would like to maintain the name Tubeless. And over here under the Save As type option, instead of Word document, I'll simply click on it. And from this drop down list, if you have to go through the options provided, you can see PDF. So you simply click on the PDF. Then you simply click on the save again. And as you can see, it's loading. And voila, your PDF document will be opened for you to review. So that's just how you can save your work in Microsoft Word and PDF format also. And if you'd also want to double confirm or double check that indeed your work has been saved in the location you wanted, let me simply close it and minimize this. And as you can see, these documents have been saved on my desktop. So let me simply click on it or double click on it to open to confirm again. So as you can see, indeed my work has been saved in the format I wanted. So that's just it in saving your work in Microsoft Word and PDF format. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Thank you very much for sticking with me up to this point. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to help this channel grow. If this video has been very helpful to you, kindly let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you once again for your time and see you again. Bye.